You ever try using Snapchat on your Starlink Wi-Fi and the connection is so bad snaps and stories won't load? In this video, I'll show you how you can fix slow Starlink speeds so you can use Snapchat anywhere without issues. Starlink is the best satellite internet solution right now, but there are still lots of ways it can give you connection issues. One issue that often causes Snapchat to stop working well is if your phone is hitting the limit of your Starlink router's Wi-Fi range. If it's not obstructed, the Starlink router can reach over 300 feet, but the walls and the furniture in your house usually prevent it from reaching that far. Your dish could also be obstructed. The easiest way to mess up your Starlink connection is to block your satellite dish. Obviously, you shouldn't have something covering your dish. But even if you don't, you might still have a tree or part of your roof off to the side, partially obstructing your connection as the satellites move around overhead. Check the obstruction map in your Starlink app to make sure that your dishy has a clear view of the sky. Now, even if your dish is completely unobstructed, the connection can still be affected by a bunch of other factors. You could have a weak connection to your router. There could be interference from Wi-Fi connections, drops in coverage as satellites move around, or you could just have an old faulty dish. So no matter what, you will experience little connection drops and packet loss, which can affect posts and reels loading. The secret to cutting out most of these issues is bringing an additional internet connection into the mix. That connection could be 4G or 5G, some old DSL line, or even another Starlink. The more internet connections you combine with your Starlink, the more you can fill in any gaps in your connection stability. This keeps your internet fast even when your Starlink slows down. Now, you may be wondering, how do you combine another internet connection with your Starlink? Just download Speedify. Speedify uses a unique technology called channel bonding to intelligently send and receive your internet traffic over multiple internet sources at the same time. It can even split a single stream at the packet level. This means it can increase your bandwidth as you add more connections. This results in a stable connection for Snapchat even as you get farther away from your router. Plus, if there are other people with you, you can add more cellular connections for even more bandwidth and stability wirelessly. Speedify lets you wirelessly pair as many devices as you want to share their cellular over the local network. The more devices you pair, the stronger your connection will be. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. Download Speedify for free on all your devices and pair phones in the Speedify app to share cellular. This is what we call pair and share. So if you're tired of issues with Snapchat, you know what to do. Just download Speedify today from the Google Play or Apple App Stores and enjoy a better, faster, more stable, and secure internet. If you liked this, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips just like this.